No brakes when we're going forward, but if you start getting too close to the Samurai, hit your brakes. So quick update, I forgot to film part of this. And as a result, you guys didn't get to see me manufacture the mounts. Sorry. So, we've got the bumper on. Fits pretty good. I didn't take any time to measure out where to plasma cut. I just went across this kind of body line. So I got a little corner right there that doesn't look the greatest. I got it on both sides, but the bumper looks really good. This is what I did with the mounts. Let's see, it's kind of dark. Kind of dark. Now, I have 2 swivel points. So I can go up and down here, and that can swivel in and out. And it can swivel in and out here. And it's extendable with those right there, with here. So, give you a little those are burned on. I did a triple pass on them. I think I might drill a hole right in the end, pin it so I can leave this loose, not worry about it falling off. But you got a pivot here, and what that allows is when the vehicle is on, you turn this way, and you turn this way, you turn this way, and you turn this way, turn this way, and you turn this way. And it pivots like that. What makes that nice, you turn this way and you turn this way, is with these, I can actually extend this all the way out and it comes out to like right here. So I can do smaller vehicles really far away from the truck. Kind of gives me some more options. It also made it to where I was able to move these at whatever width I wanted to, which is pretty much the same. I went 3/8 of an inch thinner on each side because that gets me away from these hooks from flog and gives me a little bit more options as far as placement. I did these ones pretty high on the bumper because I am going to put another set right here, and I offset them a little bit. That way when this one goes up, these don't hit the upper mounts. I might even do a couple on top in case these ones aren't high enough, but I think they will be. I think just the 2 options is gonna give me all that I need. But there is the finished product with the sling. Also, I don't know if you noticed, I did away with the super loop. I went right to this D-ring. And then I took the metal piece off of my winch cable. That way, if I want to use a super loop, to just use this right to a vehicle. If something does happen and it snaps or something breaks off the vehicle, I don't have a metal end on that flying towards Rock or us or whatever. Safer that way. So, I think it's gonna be good. I'll do a little bit more modifying. I'm gonna move that trailer hitch up a little bit, give me a little more clearance on the bottom. Should be good.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
So we did a little bit of revamping on the Samurai. We use this thing for little 4-wheelers, little side-by-sides on 55-inch or smaller trails. Sometimes they're just really hard to get into with the Land Cruisers. Sometimes we use the Land Cruisers, but sometimes we need something a little smaller. So we came up with this idea a couple years ago, and we kind of threw something together. But I just modified it, something that's a little more permanent, a little more usable. I also made this to where I can take it off and put it on the back of our Land Cruisers. So check it out. We've got a boom on the Samurai. Now this is kind of temporary. The reason I did it like this is because I'm actually doing a full roll cage in this. It's gonna come to the back, and I'm gonna make it more strong and stable, but it's just lifting 4-wheelers and tiny side-by-sides for now. So We got it coming off the rear bumper. This is from Gear America. It does turn, but we can also put a bolt in there and pinch it tight to where the synthetic line just rolls on it. And you can see there's lots of room in there for the cable to come through. And this just disconnects. And we can slap it onto the D-ring mounts on either one of the Land Cruisers. For mine, just gonna have a winch stuck in there. We've been using come-alongs or just a little bit of chain, lift it up and hold it. But this is gonna be a little better, I think. A lot more strong and stable. So yeah, something I kind of threw together this weekend. Been wanting to do it for a while and just decided to go ahead and finish up this project. This is cool though because we'll be able to swap it out between the Land Cruisers and this. And then we've got Ben's Purple People Eater. We're doing a little work on right now. We're gonna build a permanent boom off the back of that one. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Stay tuned for that one. So, we are messing around a little bit and we decided to pull the mini Jeep out with the Samurai. So, where can I set this? Is it up? I think it's up, isn't it? Wait. Okay, push it up again. Push up again. Not Bliss. Let go. Okay, that's neutral.
Are we going to be driving
on? Pulley. And then, for a pull that's anywhere close to not straight.
This is going to be really useful on the camera.
I hope so. Okay, Adelaide, I'm gonna pull you to the end of the driveway. So, when I stop, when you see my brake lights come on, hit the brakes. Okay?
Okay.
This is actually kind of fun. My girls are enjoying it. Look at that. A Samurai towing a Jeep. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
No brakes when we're going forward, but if you start getting too close to the Samurai, hit your brakes. Well, the first test is successful. I guess I shouldn't say first test. I I already lifted a couple cars with it, but this is my first test for something small.
That's what she said.
This is the same size as a small four-wheeler. It's a little bit lighter than four-wheelers are normally, but it kind of gives you an idea of what we're going to be towing with it. But it works really good. Thanks.